Some tools don't just help you work, they completely change how fast, clean, and precise your work becomes. On KNIPEX, featured by AU Techverse, we're revealing tools that professionals quietly rely on to get ahead. Watch closely, because every tool in this video has its Amazon link waiting in the description, and skipping might mean missing the one upgrade your workflow actually needs. KNIPEX Ratchet Cable Cutter. When you are cutting thick copper or aluminum cables in a tight panel, force alone is never enough. The KNIPEX Ratchet Cable Cutter uses a precise ratcheting mechanism that breaks the cut into controlled steps, reducing hand effort while keeping the cut clean and accurate. Its hardened cutting edges prevent cable deformation, and the compact design helps in confined spaces. It is built for electricians who need consistent, professional results without strain. KNIPEX MultiCrimp. On a solar installation site, switching between different crimping tools quickly slows everything down. The KNIPEX MultiCrimp solves that by combining multiple crimping functions into one system with interchangeable dies for MC4 connectors, ferrules, and uninsulated terminals. The integrated magazine keeps dies organized, while the ratchet mechanism ensures consistent pressure on every crimp. It allows you to move through connections without interruption, making it a practical choice for efficient, high-quality electrical work. KNIPEX ComStrip. When you are working on a control panel and dealing with different wire types, constant adjustments slow you down. The KNIPEX ComStrip automatically adapts to solid, stranded, and fine-stranded wires, removing insulation cleanly without damaging conductors. Its adjustable length stop keeps every strip consistent, which is critical for repetitive tasks. With a built-in cutter and compact head, it handles tight spaces easily, making everyday wiring faster and more controlled. KNIPEX ErgoStrip PV. On a rooftop solar install, speed and precision matter equally. The KNIPEX ErgoStrip PV is designed specifically for photovoltaic cables, allowing clean stripping, cutting, and sheath removal in one motion. Its pistol grip design provides better control, especially in awkward angles, while the length stop ensures uniform connector preparation. Slim tips reach confined inverter spaces with ease. It is a reliable tool that keeps solar cable preparation smooth, accurate, and efficient. KNIPEX Cobra ES. When you are trying to reach a compression fitting hidden behind pipes, standard pliers often fail to get proper access. The KNIPEX Cobra ES is built with an extra slim, extended jaw that slips deep into tight spaces without removing surrounding parts. Its push-button adjustment allows quick resizing directly on the workpiece, while hardened teeth grip securely on round or flat surfaces. It gives you the reach and control needed to handle difficult plumbing tasks with confidence. KNIPEX DPT50. During repetitive cable tie installation, speed and consistency make a noticeable difference. The KNIPEX DPT50 is a professional cable tie tensioning and cutting tool that delivers uniform tightening with a clean flush cut. The adjustable tension setting ensures cables are secured without damage, while the automatic cutoff keeps results consistent across multiple ties. Its ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making it ideal for electricians handling large cable management jobs. KNIPEX Modular X18. On complex job sites, carrying multiple tool bags can quickly become inefficient. The KNIPEX Modular X18 offers a flexible storage system designed to organize and transport tools more effectively. With customizable compartments and durable construction, it adapts to different tasks, whether electrical or plumbing. The structured layout keeps tools accessible and protected, helping you stay organized on the move. It is a practical solution for professionals who value efficiency and order. KNIPEX Forged Wire Stripper. When you are working on repetitive wiring tasks, durability and precision become essential. The KNIPEX Forged Wire Stripper is made from forged steel, giving it long-term strength while maintaining accurate stripping performance. It handles multiple wire sizes with clearly marked openings, reducing guesswork on the job. The integrated cutting function adds extra utility, and the ergonomic grip keeps it comfortable during extended use. It is a dependable tool for clean, consistent wire preparation. KNIPEX TwinGrip. Removing stripped or damaged screws can quickly turn into a frustrating delay. The KNIPEX TwinGrip is designed with front and side gripping zones that securely hold onto worn fasteners where standard pliers slip. Its slim head fits into confined spaces, while the high-grip teeth provide strong holding power. Whether you are dealing with rusted bolts or rounded screws, it offers a controlled solution that saves time and prevents further damage. Self-adjusting crimping pliers. When working with wire ferrules, maintaining consistent crimp quality is critical. The self-adjusting crimping pliers automatically adapt to different ferrule sizes, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. The ratchet mechanism ensures each crimp is completed with the correct pressure, improving reliability in electrical connections. Its balanced design reduces hand effort during repetitive use, making it a practical choice for professionals who need precision and efficiency in every connection. KNIPEX Composite Pipe Cutter. When working with multi-layer or plastic pipes in tight installation spaces, control becomes everything. The KNIPEX Composite Pipe Cutter is designed to deliver clean, precise cuts without crushing or deforming the pipe. Its sharp blade and guided cutting action ensure smooth edges, which is critical for proper fittings. The compact body and ergonomic grip make it easy to maneuver in confined areas. It is a reliable choice for plumbers who need accuracy without extra effort. KNIPEX Crimp Assortment. On-site electrical work often slows down when you have to search for the right connector. The KNIPEX Crimp Assortment keeps a wide range of terminals and ferrules organized and ready to use. Each component is stored in a structured case, making selection quick and efficient during installations or repairs. It pairs perfectly with crimping tools to maintain consistent connections, helping you complete wiring jobs faster and with greater confidence. KNIPEX BiX. Cutting plastic pipes in tight or awkward spaces can be frustrating with traditional tools. The KNIPEX BiX is a compact pipe cutter designed for quick, clean cuts on plastic pipes and drip pipes. Its innovative design allows easy rotation around the pipe, even close to walls. The sharp blade delivers precise results without extra force, making it ideal for plumbing adjustments and repairs where space is limited and efficiency matters. Mini Pliers Set. When you are working inside tight electrical boxes or delicate components, full-size tools can feel oversized and clumsy. The Mini Pliers Set gives you precise control in confined spaces, with compact pliers designed for gripping, cutting, and fine adjustments. Despite their size, they maintain strong build quality and accurate handling. They are especially useful for detail work where precision matters more than force, making them a smart addition for controlled, close-range tasks. KNIPEX Robust 34 Tool Case. On busy job sites, keeping tools protected and organized can save more time than expected. The KNIPEX Robust 34 Tool Case is built for durability, with a sturdy outer shell that protects tools during transport. Inside, customizable compartments keep everything in place and easy to access. Its design supports both mobility and organization, allowing professionals to carry essential tools efficiently without clutter. It is a dependable solution for structured and secure tool storage. KNIPEX CutiX 90. Cutting through thick insulation or tough materials requires both sharpness and control. The KNIPEX CutiX 90 features a reinforced blade system that provides added stability during heavy-duty cutting tasks. The extendable blade design allows you to adjust cutting depth based on the job, improving safety and precision. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip, even during demanding use. It is a practical knife that combines strength with controlled performance for everyday site work. KNIPEX PreciForce. When working with sensitive connectors like MC4, accuracy is critical for long-term performance. The KNIPEX PreciForce is engineered with a fixed die and factory-calibrated pressure to deliver consistent, high-quality crimps every time. The ratchet mechanism ensures the crimp is completed with the correct force before release, preventing weak connections. Its smooth lever action reduces effort during repetitive use, making it a dependable choice for precise and reliable electrical installations. KNIPEX StepCut XL. Handling thick cables and distribution panels can quickly become tiring with standard cutters. The KNIPEX StepCut XL is designed with stepped cutting edges that allow easier cutting across a wide range of cable sizes. Its high-leverage joint reduces effort, while long handles provide better control for both one- and two-handed operation. The slim head helps reach tight spaces, making it a practical tool for electricians dealing with heavy-duty cable work. KNIPEX TubiX. Cutting metal pipes cleanly in confined installations requires precision and control. The KNIPEX TubiX features a compact pipe cutter design with an easy adjust mechanism that fits different pipe diameters quickly. Its sharp cutting wheel ensures smooth, burr-free edges, which are essential for proper fittings. Lightweight and ergonomic, it performs well during extended use, making it a reliable tool for plumbing and vac professionals working in tight environments. KNIPEX Pliers Wrench X's. In tight installations where a full-size wrench simply won't fit, control becomes a challenge. The KNIPEX Pliers Wrench X's combines the function of pliers and a wrench in a compact form, allowing smooth, parallel jaw movement for secure, damage-free gripping. It works well on small nuts, fittings, and precision components, especially in confined spaces. The fine adjustment ensures a perfect fit every time, making it a compact yet highly practical solution for precise fastening work. KNIPEX PreciStrip16. When consistency matters across multiple wire preparations, manual adjustment can slow you down. The KNIPEX PreciStrip16 automatically adapts to different wire sizes, delivering clean, accurate stripping without damaging the conductor. Its fine adjustment feature allows precise control for special insulation types, while the length stop ensures uniform results. Built for repetitive professional use, it helps maintain speed and accuracy throughout demanding electrical tasks. Big Twin Electrician Tool Case. Managing a large set of tools for electrical work requires both organization and protection. The Big Twin Electrician Tool Case is designed to hold a complete range of insulated tools in a structured layout. Durable construction keeps everything secure during transport, while clearly arranged compartments make tool selection quick and efficient. It supports professionals working on complex systems by keeping essential tools organized, visible, and ready to use. KNIPEX Cobra XS. When you are dealing with small fittings in extremely tight spaces, even standard compact pliers can feel too large. The KNIPEX Cobra X is built for precision work, offering a very compact design without sacrificing gripping strength. Its fine push-button adjustment allows a secure fit on small nuts and pipes, while the hardened teeth ensure a firm hold. It is an ideal tool for delicate plumbing and maintenance tasks where space is limited but control is essential. KNIPEX Twistor16. Working inside crowded control panels often requires flexibility in how you approach each crimp. The KNIPEX Twistor16 features a rotating head with multiple locking positions, allowing you to access connections from different angles without repositioning your hand awkwardly. It automatically adjusts to ferrule sizes and delivers consistent square crimps through its ratchet mechanism. This makes it a reliable tool for precise and efficient work in confined electrical setups. KNIPEX Tool Case for Electric Vehicles. Handling high-voltage systems demands both safety and organization. The KNIPEX Tool Case for Electric Vehicles is equipped with VD-tested insulated tools designed specifically for EV maintenance and service work. Each tool is securely arranged within a structured case, ensuring quick access while maintaining safety standards. It supports technicians working on modern electric systems by keeping essential, certified tools organized and ready for controlled, professional use. KNIPEX TwinForce. When you are cutting through tough materials like hardened wire or heavy-duty cable ties, standard cutters often struggle. The KNIPEX TwinForce uses a dual joint design that significantly increases cutting power while reducing the effort required. Its hardened cutting edges handle demanding materials with precision, and the compact head helps access tighter areas. Built for durability and control, it is a strong choice for professionals who regularly deal with high-resistance cutting tasks. KNIPEX 1650-145 Ratchet Cable Cutter. In confined electrical panels where large cutters cannot fit, precision becomes critical. The KNIPEX 1650-145 ratchet cable cutter is designed for clean, controlled cutting of copper and aluminum cables using a step-by-step ratcheting action. This reduces hand force while maintaining accuracy and preventing cable deformation. Its compact size makes it ideal for tight working conditions, giving electricians a reliable way to handle thicker cables without sacrificing control. That wraps up the tools that can genuinely upgrade your electrical and plumbing work. If you found this useful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your go-to tool, and subscribe to AU TechVerse for more practical, no-nonsense tool breakdowns that actually help you work smarter.